What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the rosewood gut hook. Let's begin. You could definitely know him for a fact. Now, funny story about this, guys, and this is kind of legit. So, when I was actually looking stuff at the shop, which, yeah, when we were cleaning out stuff from my late grandfather, and I was basically like, looking for other things, maybe clean some stuff up, and this was like had a package right in there in behind it. And when it was actually hanged on a like a little peg, like hanged on there. And when I actually saw like the handles and everything, like like the handles right there, and this is like, what's that? Is that those are like knives out there. So I decided to looked behind there, and well, there you go. We got the rosewood gut hook. I'm not sure. I think they do have a sheath, either leather or something like that. Unfortunately, I don't have the sheath for them. The blade itself is probably made of stainless steel or carbon steel. The handle is basically of rosewood. 2 brass pins, little hole for like lanyard or string, and of course it's basically you can handle like this or like this. You have the gut hook. Let's focus on the camera. Yep, there's the gut hook for it. So let's talk about the size. Now, these are basically both the same ones. Yeah, it's a little rusted, unfortunately. So the size on the knife. So the size on this one's around about like 4.5 inches. Meal for the handle is around about also 4.5 inches. While the overall size is going to be around about like 9.5 inches. So let's do the size comparison. So the size comparison on the rosewood gut hook knife is a little bigger than the old timer gut hook, but it's also dwarfed by the size on the Ozark Trail, paracord knife. So let's test this bad boy out. the results out there is, well, okay out there. I mean, it can cut through stuff. Kinda need, like, the full force onto the thing. So these are, like, pretty deep cuts out there. So you can see from there. And, but for the harder plastic out there, not so much. I mean, you can't even, that's me striking it out there. And the stabbing part is, decent out there. Including this one right here. Yeah, that's the me striking, so it's really weak. I think that was pretty weak of me, basically doing it with that strength. So I give the rosewood guthook, basically guthook knife out there, an astounding of a 7 out of 10. It's I think if I can, like, maybe get that rust off and then sharpened it, this will probably be decent out there. So that wraps up of the rosewood guthook knives. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.